Hello everyone, my name is Worstell, today with your first Google Sheets tutorial. So today we're going to do some basic formatting and then do some functions in our Google Sheets here. So as you can see on the top we have our headers, and this is going to be a sheet of just a bunch of students, and we're going to have test 1, test 2, test 3, which we're going to randomly generate, and then we're going to have a final average of the test. So we're going to make this look nice here. Make it look like a table that you would share with someone instead of just for your viewing. So we're going to give that some bold lettering here, make it stick out. You can do italics or strike through. That's just what strike through looks like. We could change the text color if we wanted to. We have a light red, but we're going to keep it black. But we are going to change the background fill color. You can see how that changes that. And we're going to give it some border here, and then do center and center for horizontal and vertical. And now as you can see, we got a nice little header to our table here. Well, we are going to come here and make sure we have this formatted correctly. Number, and then we're going to decrease the decimal place twice. And then we're going to come here and type in RANDBETWEEN. That's our function. And it takes two values, so a low value and a high value. So we're going to assume no one's going to get lower than 100, and you can't get higher than, or no one's going to get lower than 40, and no one's going to get higher than 100. So if we highlight all this and decrease the decimal places there, and then we're going to grab that little square on the bottom and do the same there, and just drag it all away. Now we have, that wasn't the best way to do that, but you get the idea. You can use this little square to drag any direction. So now we have our nice little sheet here, has student IDs and then random tests. So now we want to come here to average, do equals average, and then we're going to select these three cells and then hit enter. And then we're going to drag that down, and now it takes the average. So the average here is 86, so it's 100 plus 68 plus 89 divided by 3, which does give you 86. So now you have your nice little Google Sheet here that generates averages of test. I mean, obviously you could do this with more tests. It doesn't have to just be 3 tests, so we could expand to a 4th test here. And now this is measuring D to F2, so that needs to be changed to G since we added an extra column there. We need to just make sure that's applied all the way down. So D to G. So as we can see, that is taking the average of all of those. Thank you, everyone.